Targets are up. Take them out.
Welcome back, Airsofters, to another episode of Code Name Ruby. And in this episode, we link up with players like Lone Wolf, my homie Grant, and also Josh Chapman to control the field and dominate players in this sniper duo episode. So get ready, buckle up, load up, because it's time to eliminate some players.
Shut up, clock in, and load up.
One in the tower, one in the tower. Tower. Fourth tower. As me and Wolf try to hold back the enemy forces here just long enough for friendly forces to push up and collect some points. Yeah, I still got one in this tower right here. Tower, and then one in the building right by the truck. We just have to hold on just a little longer. Just hold on a little longer. One in the truck, one in the truck, one in the truck, one in the truck. I'm trying to get him peeking.
Truck is down. The truck is down.
Truck's down! They're in that corner. You see him? You see him?
Ooh, dude, he almost got me. That was almost a headshot for him.
Alright, so I'm gonna have to go low. I'm gonna have to go low. Woo! Hit. That's it, hit.
How hot are you in that ghillie suit?
I'm not hot at all.
You're the man, the myth, the legend, right?
Thanks. What's going on? Now that I'm back in the game, it's time to shake things up and hit him on the left side. Reinforcements are coming in!
Taking Charlie. Enemy cruise missile incoming.
Coming over.
Yo, you wanna see some real speed, bitch? I'll show you some real speed.
Wait, are those our enemies? Got him.
And if you couldn't tell, I was having mag issues all day, but I stayed in the fight and still held them off. I'm clearing guys above you. He's gonna get you. I told you. I told you. He's right here in front of us in this window. Oh, no. I'm trying to get my teammate on target here and aware of the enemy directly in front of us before I start engaging targets of my own.
Got it. There's a guy right here.
I got 6 people that kept on going behind that barricade wall, and you just boink, 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 and it's all recorded.
Shut up, clock in, and load up.
Alright, house right here. Okay. Bang, bang. Hit. Hit. Did you shoot me? Yeah.
And it's all over.
This a goof,
just
man. Y'all gotta pay attention,
like
dude.
that. Yo, I just want to say thank you for tapping in. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for all your support, love, and patience. See you next time on the field. I'm Codename Ruby, and I'm out.